everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Fridays I like to either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share. And today I wanted to share a great way to upcycle some bubble wrap. I recently got a gift and it came with some bubble wrap. So I thought I would share some different cards using this bubble wrap. Now, all the supplies I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I also will have in the description a link that will take you on over to the blog post. So if you miss anything, everything will be there. So our stamp set today we're using is the Tropical Chic, as well as the Pop of Petals. Now the Pop of Petals does not have a sentiment. That is why I use the Tropical Chic. And I just love the thank you. I'm always looking for thank you cards. We will also be using the coordinating punch. Our card base today, I am using the Pineapple Punch, and this piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored and folded at 4 1/4. We have two pieces of the Whisper White, and these are both cut the same. These are 4 by 5 1/4. We have one for the front and one for the inside. I have a scrap piece of Whisper White, and this piece is cut at 2 inches by 3 3/4, and that's just to stamp and punch out these little butterflies. I also have another piece of Pineapple Punch, and that's to create this strip, and this is cut at 3/4 of an inch by 4 inches. So what we're going to do, I have a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to bring in my Whisper White, and I'm using the Pineapple Punch ink. You are going to take your bubble wrap, and you are just going to ink up your bubble wrap. Now this piece of bubble wrap measures 4 by 5 1/4 roughly, and all you're going to do you're going to lay it on there and then just give it a good press. And how cool is that, you guys? Super easy. We're then going to use some Memento ink. And I've got that little butterfly. And I'm just going to, I want to cover that because I missed a spot there. So I'm going to stick a butterfly over there. And one over there. I've got the thank you. And I'm just going to stamp that down on the bottom. I've got my scrap piece, and I'm going to stamp 2 butterflies. I'm going to attach this piece, and I want to cover up this ugliness over here. I have my Aqua Painter. Now I have this filled with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and water. And the reason why I use rubbing alcohol is because it dries, the ink dries pretty quick. What you're going to do is you're going to close up your ink pad. You're going to give it a good press. Nice good press. And what you want to do is you want to gather some ink up in your lid. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to color my butterflies using my Aqua Painter. just have a piece of paper towel, and I want to wipe this before I go ahead and I close this. I now have the coordinating punch, and I'm just going to punch this out. I'm now going to fold it a little bit like so. And I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue and just attach the glue down the center, like so. And that's going to give the butterfly the appearance that it is flying. Super cute, you guys. I'm going to fold my card base. I'm now going to attach this to the front. And then I am going to randomly add some of these little pineapple punch. I'm using my Pick Me Up tool, and I'm just going to randomly add some of these on my card, down on the bottom. Just like so. We can now come with the inside of our card, and we can finish the inside. Now I will have an iCard at the top of the screen that will show you other backgrounds that I've used using some household goodies. Just like so. And we can now go ahead and attach this on the inside. Super cute card, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. And I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.